this is what Cheyenne did to her house. Where's your husband? Where's your husband?
Surprise! Alright.
Okay. Wait, ready? Okay. Go.
We're gonna play ping pong.
Wait, the door, Buster, you left the door up. Mass destruction!
Yes. Look at the window, it's totally broken. Somebody broke in my house! Where's your husband?
I never got one. I never got one. Look, there's stuff in your bed.
You trying to steal my stuff? Go home with me? Psych. Psych nah.
Oh my god.
Now we're gonna clean this up and then go watch movies.
Yes!
Rock band.
Peace.